Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google Docs or a screenshot into a Google Drive folder, full 2026 guide. Whether you're organizing class documents, storing screenshots, or just trying to keep your drive tidy, this walkthrough will guide you through every step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account so your files land in the right place. When you're in, go ahead and click on Drive from the sidebar so you can access all your folders and recent files. From there, move into Home, where Google shows a quick view of your most used items, just to confirm everything is synced and visible. After that, jump into My Drive, which is the main place where your personal folders and uploaded items live. When you're inside My Drive, look over to the top left corner and select New. This button is where Google lets you create documents, upload files, or add entire folders. Once the new menu opens, choose File Upload because that's how we'll bring the screenshot into Drive. Your File Explorer will pop up and you can scroll through your computer to find the screenshot you want to upload. Select the file named something like Screenshot 2025, November 24th, 1752, 03.png, or whichever screenshot you're working with. After selecting it once, go ahead and confirm the choice by selecting it again in the preview or list, making sure it's exactly the file you intended to upload. When everything looks good, simply click OK so the upload begins, and Google Drive will place it right into your My Drive folder. And that's all there is to it. Your screenshot or Google Docs file is now safely stored inside your Drive folder and ready to be shared, organized, or moved wherever you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials.